Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC currently follows nicely this triangle wave count, this triangle scenario I started to share with you yesterday. Reacted again to the support zone, and it had that triangle look. So again, it's still too early to confirm a triangle, but it really looks like one. So I'm tracking it, and it might just need one more higher low to complete this triangle. And if we then see down here another reaction to the upside, then this could start the move. Also shared with you in the last video that one of the, or last couple of videos, I can't remember actually when I started to bring this onto the chart, maybe already a few days ago. But remember, we were down here, and one of the ways to get into a triangle trade is to start to scale in towards the end of the C wave. And it moved already quite nicely. But yeah, this is one scenario I'm tracking, sort of this ongoing sideways triangle scenario, where after the E wave is complete, the price could start to move. That would be here, this blue count, obviously. So yeah, the blue count is the triangle. Obviously, wave 4 would finish off this structure here. So the triangle is basically wave 4. And wave 4s can be sideways corrections very frequently, right? So a wave 2 is typically a sharp correction, which you can clearly see. And the wave 4 oftentimes unfolds as a sideways correction. Now that can be a triangle. There are other ways. There are so-called flat structures. Okay, flat structures look a little bit differently. It's just a different structure. But because this move down was not in 5 waves, it was just in 3. I think we're dealing here possibly with this triangle. Now, what would be an invalidation for a triangle? Invalidation for the triangle, which means something different is going on. Let's say bearish invalidation would be a break below this swing low that was made here on Tuesday, here at 75 cents. Okay, if we get below that level, then it can't be a triangle because the E wave must not go below the C wave low. Breakout point above 94.5 cents. That would be the bullish invalidation. Basically, essentially in the triangle count, we want that level to break, but it would really only be a triangle then after one more higher low and then break, because it still needs that E wave. Now, if it breaks earlier, then, well, this was also a wave 4 correction most likely, but then probably some kind of a strange corrective structure, which is not typical, because either in this correction we are completing a triangle and go up then, or we should make one more low here the way this is going and then go up. And then it would likely be a flat structure. So either flat or triangle, but breaking out directly would be a bit strange. Now, I shouldn't say it's strange. I mean, it can happen. It's essentially what we want in this overall wave count. We want that wave 5 to get to $1.10 plus. To me, it doesn't really matter when it breaks out. There was enough time to enter here in the support zone and here for anybody who wanted to, and it could then just take the direct route. Yeah, I would then need to think about, okay, what was this really? And there is a way to count it, but to be honest, it wouldn't really matter because essentially don't worry too much about the count and micro count. A lot of the stuff we do here is education as well. Even though sometimes you might not realize it is education, but it is. I always try to show you the counts, which doesn't really matter so much. What really matters is what is the support zone and what's the invalidation point. And the support zone was triggered several times. And the next level to watch then to the upside is $1.10. And essentially we just want to see the breakout. Okay, if I call this wave 4 or wherever the wave 4 bottomed is not so important. We're not here to earn a university degree in Elliott wave. Yeah. In Elliott waving. No, we want to figure out, obviously, the support and resistance levels, the parameters for trades. Okay, that's what it's about. Now, if we break out directly, to be honest, I would have to say the wave 4 finished here, and this is an A, B, and we're now moving up in the C wave of wave 5. So it would be the direct route. It would just be a different way. There are always more than just one or two ways, but again, it doesn't matter. It's all, for me, that's all part. From a mindset point of view, that's all part of the same scenario. I mean, the wave 4 can unfold in various ways, right? Really what matters is the support zone and that we form a reversal before breaking below 64, 65 cents. And so far, it's not looking too bad. So breakout point is clear, target is clear. If we dip once more into the support zone, no problem. Support remains at 76 cents, 70 cents, and then 65. Yeah, that's my update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.